guys, welcome back to my channel. If it's your first time here, my name is Coco. So today we have the very popular and trendy Siren eye. Now, it's popular and trendy right now, but it's been a look, it's been an eye that I've been doing for years. Me and all my makeup artist friends, we've just been doing this eye. We've just been calling it like fox eye or cat eye, super cat eye and stuff like that. I mean, it is nice to have a name for it now, so when clients sit in your chair, they don't have to just show you a picture of Kim Kardashian and all that. So it's nice to have a name for the eye, so I just wanted to have my rendition of it and show it to you guys. I think it is a very beautiful, beautiful, beautiful eye, and I can't stress enough how amazing it is and how amazing it photographs. Like, let's not even talk about how amazing it photographs, but I don't want to talk too much because people be getting mad at people for having long intros and talking their heads off. So without further ado, here is how you do the Siren eye my way. So I apologize about the noise in advance. I do have somebody next door doing hair, so just ignore that. All right, so a couple things you're going to need in advance. You're going to need a gel liner or a liquid liner, whatever you're comfortable with. I'm going to use a gel liner because I'm going to move in slow motion with this eye. I just like to be very careful, on point, okay? So this is the Inglot number 77 gel liner, and then you're going to need some flare lashes, which the lash is not doing too much in the front, in the beginning of the eye, in the inner corner, and then it flares out. So then I have these two tweezers. I'm trying out this shape where the tweezer goes straight and then it curves. So I have this one, and then I just have some small ones. These are the main things. You're gonna go ahead and do your eye like a regular cat eye, the way that you would, which is a lighter in the inner corner and darker in the outer corner, okay? So let's get started. So I'm gonna start by bronzing my eyelids just to warm up the crease, to make it look, you know, really soft, subtle, make the transition really natural. And with my bronzer, you just see me just taking it out just a little bit, just dragging it out to the outer corner out here, just to add a little bit more drama, make that eye look a lot more cat. So now I'm going to use the Il Makiage palette, and I am going to go on with this dark brown shade right here, and I'm just going to use that to darken up the outer corner. Now, as you can see, I'm tilting my head back because I have small eyes. And I'm going to go with a goldish eyeshadow, but just something that's closer to my complexion. I don't want to go too light. Just want it to be kind of natural. I want the liner to do the work so that you guys can really see what this eye does. Okay, so I'm going to use these 3 eyeliner brushes. This one really, really fine and skinny, and it's curved, so it's going to help me get in that inner corner really nice. And then I'm going to use this one. It's a lot more dense, and it's going to help me get that wing on the outer corner bomb. And I'm going to use this one in the center. It's nice and soft, and it's just going to start out all the hard work. So because I'm using a gel, you want to make sure you know how much product you're getting on that brush. And I'm going to start right in the center always, and I'm trying to make like a straight line. I'm not going down with my eye shape, I'm just trying to make a straight line, and then I'm going to bring it out a little bit, but again, straight. When you do any kind of eyeliner, you want to go straight. You don't want to go down because you can fill in the lines. And so now I'm going to go in with that brush that I said was really dense, and then we're going to make that nice straight line on the outer corner, and then we're going to take that same brush and connect it right there, right? And so that's what I mean when I say we can fill in all of this. Let me bring the camera a bit closer. I know y'all can see better now that I brought the camera in a little bit closer. And so now I'm just taking that brush and filling in all that area right here. But the thing is, with this look, you want to go upwards, right? And then you still want to bring it over to the center. And now I'm going to go on with this little tiny brush that I showed you guys, the one that curves. And then I'm going to start tight lining. So tight lining is getting that line up underneath here. I'm going to tight line first. And then after I've tight lined, I'm going to get that eyeliner right in the inner corner, right in the inner corner, and bring it out. This does take a little bit of practice. Don't beat yourself up. Don't beat yourself up about this. I'm serious. This brush is the Monda Studio brush number 830. If you were wondering, you guys probably like, duh, it's half the look. Yeah, we're wondering. And so then I'm taking that little corner and then I'm bringing it right to the bottom, right here. I'm just bringing it over. So you're gonna go down a slanted line and then bring it over. So like down here, right? Kind of like a, I don't know, but down, yes, and over. And so we have a little bit of a siren eye going on, but we gotta clean it up. We gotta make sure that everything is everything. So I'm just going to take this and bring this up a bit more. And now that I have that, I can go back in with more gel liner. And right where I did that, I'm just going to make it really pointy. And so that is how you do that liner. Keep in mind, I don't have my brows on, but the liner is the biggest part of it all, and we've completed that. So I'm gonna go ahead and do this eye, and then we're gonna go into the liner and I'll do my brows. Okay, so since the eyes are dramatic, I wanna go with a much lighter brow. I don't wanna do too much with the brows. I want you to see them, but not like be in your face like pow. So I went with Auburn, the shade Auburn from Anastasia Beverly Hills, versus like dark brown or ash brown or anything like that. A lot of times I wear dark brown, but like I said, these eyes, we really need to let them stand out by themselves. So the lash that we're going to do is by Lash Couture. These are by Kiss. This is the Masterpiece One of a Kind Luxe Lash. These are the style Avant-Garde. I already know I need to cut these because my eyes are very short. Like I don't have a lot of eye space, but before I do, I'm just going to play with them a little bit and then pop them on to see how much I need to cut. Yeah, I need to cut. So I'm gonna cut from the inner corner. Okay, so while I wait for my lashes to dry, I'm just gonna start doing my bottom lashes. Okay, I'm just popping the lash on, but I'm also trying new tweezers for the first time, so just bear with me. I'm going to start right in the center. I think I like these tweezers already, y'all. I think I like them already. Oh yeah, I love these. This is what I've always needed from tweezers. Okay, I know you can still see the lash glue, so I'm gonna give that some time to like dry down. And while it's drying down, I am pushing my lashes up. Okay, so now I'm going to add the drama to this eye, and I'm going to make sure that I have black in these corners and in my waterline. So I'm making sure to connect the waterline to that outer wing, and getting it into that waterline is not fun, but we get it done. So I'm just gonna go back in with this ankle brush to make sure the inner corner is popping. So I'm just gonna go over it, make it sharp, and bring it right back into that bottom eyeline. So we brought it down really sharp and brought it over. You just have to build with this look, to be honest with you. You just have to fix some things, come back in, clean some things up, but it's so freaking bomb that is worth it. Yeah, so I really love this look, and I feel like I want to see more of us wearing this look. Now, people are saying this is giving the smoky eye a run for its money, and I don't know if we could say that because the smoky eye is always going to be that girl, but this has stepped in the ring, okay? This has stepped in the ring. It's pretty up there. I definitely think this is one of them looks that shake the table. I do. So yeah, let me know if you love this look. That's one. Let me know, would you try it? Was the tutorial easy? Talk to me in the comments. Let me know. And again, I'll see you on the next video. Mwah.